Yo, are you ready for this 15-minute jump rope Tabata workout? In fact, it's not just one Tabata. It's not just two Tabatas. It's 3 Tabatas that you're gonna finish in 15 minutes for a killer workout and burn some serious calories. My name is Kyle Easter and I'm the creator of Jump15.com, where I help you build your best body with the jump rope. Now, if you're not familiar with a Tabata workout, let me break it down for you. A Tabata is a 4-minute workout in which it's broken into 8 rounds. Each round is 20 seconds of exercise followed by 10 seconds rest. You do that 8 times, adds up to 4 minutes, that's 1 Tabata. We're gonna be doing 3 of those with different bodyweight exercises mixed in, as well as jump rope. So let me show you exactly what you're gonna be doing today. So if you wanna do it on your own when you have time, you're more than welcome to do that. And if you want to follow along with this workout, the more the merrier. If you're doing it by yourself and you don't have a Tabata timer, one of my best recommendations is check out Tabata songs. You can look it up here on YouTube. They have different songs that count you down and tell you when the work phases are, when the rest periods are. It makes it very straightforward. They're all 4 minutes long. It works great. I have them linked below so you can go straight to it with the same 3 that I used when I was performing this workout. Check them out. Now in these workouts, you're gonna notice that I'm using 3 different jump ropes. I use Crossrope jump ropes. I'm gonna be using my 1-pound rope, my half-pound rope, as well as my 1/4-pound rope. 1 jump rope for each Tabata. The reason I like weighted jump ropes is because it just brings a whole different level of intensity and challenge to the mix. If you don't have any, no big deal. Just use whatever jump rope you have on hand. If you are interested in a weighted jump rope, I highly recommend looking at Crossrope jump ropes. I have them linked below, and they've also given me a 10% off coupon just for you. All right, here are your 3 Tabatas. In Tabata 1, I'm using my 1-pound rope, followed by wide mountain climbers, back to my 1-pound rope, and bodyweight squats. You will repeat that a second time. That completes your 8 rounds. On to Tabata 2. Rest 1 to 1.5 minutes between Tabatas. Tabata 2 is my half-pound rope, followed by band pull-aparts, back to half-pound rope, then plank up-downs. Move to Tabata 3, 1/4-pound rope, followed by push-ups, back to 1/4-pound rope, ending with squat thrusts. If you're ready, let's do this. I hope you enjoyed that workout. If you did, make sure you hit that like button below so I know to make more videos like this one. If you have any jump rope skills or questions about form, technique, leave those in the comments. I'll be sure to cover those more in future videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you'll make sure that you will be one of the first ones to know when new videos are posted. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.